If you want to make your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G to sound much better, you can do this by using built-in tools. Take a look. First, just go to the sounds and vibration settings. Right now, scroll down to the sound quality and effects. And first of all, I will highly recommend you to turn on Dolby Atmos. And if you want to listen to the music, probably, then you have to go for the music. As you can see, short description, it will make, for example, our music sound much richer. Now go for the sound equalizer and pick this preset that you like. For example, if you want to get the dynamic sound, you will have to go for this, and you can slightly even adjust those frequencies over here. So just one by one, you can just make it bigger, raise it or lower a little bit, and set for this custom preset. And now you can go back, and also when you are using the headphones, it will be highly recommended to use the UHQ up scaler. Let me know what you think about this one, and thanks for watching.